Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do a video for you on how to piece this quilt top. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make 2 quilt blocks. The reason is because that's what you need to make this quilt top. Anyway, it's kind of late today. Summer's here, so it's been busy. Anyhow, I really do hope you like this piecing video. I am so excited that I got to go on my sewing machine and start building this. Also, too, I did find this quilt at a flea market, so a good 2 or 3 rows were already made. The piecer did a beautiful job on it, and I found a whole bunch of scrap pieces that she did for me because she didn't get to finish it. I already added 2 rows, a row on the side and a row on the bottom. I got on my program and I redesigned it so that the quilt top would be bigger. When I found it, the quilt top was 54 by 94, so it was really long and really narrow. And yeah, she did a beautiful job. I really don't know anything other than that, so I kind of want to finish this beautiful quilt top that I found at a flea market. I really do thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the piecing. All right, bye. All right, so let's get started. You're gonna need 2 darks and a light, and I cut them 2 inches wide and the length of the fabric 45 degrees, and I sewed all 3 pieces together, and of course I ironed them. You're also going to do the opposite, 2 lights and a dark, and do the same thing and sew them. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to cut all your strips 2 inches. So here you see a stack of whites and a stack of darks, and in that you're going to start making your little 9 patches. Your 9 patch block is going to be 5 by 5, and you're going to need tons of these if you're going to do this quilt top. And so here you see my little stack of 9 patches, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bigger 9 patch in a minute. Hold on, let me see what's going to happen. It's been a long night. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to cut a whole bunch of white pieces 5 by 5, and you're going to make another set of 9 patches with your 9 patches, okay? And what I did is I'm arranging them, and then I stitched 2 sides and a whole row of them. I chain pieced, that's what they call it, I believe, and then I added the next pieces, and then I went ahead and I built the block. Now, your quilt block is going to be 14 by 14, so it's a pretty good size block. And what I love to do here, and I'm going to share, I think, a tutorial soon on pinning. I like pinning my little seams areas where you want to connect everything. I believe it helps you stitch your seams straighter because you're not worried about connecting those seams, and they're just connected so lovely and so beautiful. So I ironed it and made sure everything was flat, and now we're on block number 2. You're going to need a couple long pieces, and it's 5 by 14 and a whole bunch of 5 by 5 again, and your 9 little 5 by 5 patch. So here I sewed the 2 white pieces to the 5 by 5 9 patch, and then I sewed those long rows, and this is block number 2. If you are interested in this quilt top tutorial or PDF, please join Lorena's Quilting Facebook group. I would love to get to know you, and I will download it sometime this week. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you soon. I really do thank you for watching. Please join Lorena's Quilting Facebook group, and I will sometime this week download the PDF. Also, too, please subscribe, please hit like. I appreciate you. And I have a couple giveaways on Lorena's Quilting Facebook group. I think I have a couple rollers I'm going to give away soon, and we're still doing that panel challenge. Yeah. I thank you for watching, and see you later, okay? Bye. Oh, God, have mercy on me. It's summer, okay? Yeah. It's summer.